Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Neat little 3D woven looking pattern that's really easy to draw. We're going to take a 2-point line. I draw a hairline. I'm going to make that line 12 inches long. I'm going to convert. I've changed my, instead of using points, I'm using 1/2 inch. Go ahead and make it black. I'm going to set my nudge distance on 1 inch, and I'm going to Control D. So every one of these will be a 1/2 inch apart. I can measure it now. It's 12 by 11, so I need one more. And now I have 12 by 12. But it's really not 12 by 12. It's kind of confusing a little bit, because if we draw a 12 by 12 square and we put P, put it in the center of the page, and group our lines together, Control G and then hit P, my lines are actually outside the box because of the fact that Corel is measuring it still as a hairline. So we can eliminate that. I think I've got it all grouped together, and I do. So we can go to P, put everything in the center of the page. And now we can go to intersect, and it's going to cut out those two lines. Well, it didn't. But it is 12 by 12 now. No, it's just thinking it is. Let me draw that box again. Maybe I didn't have, you know what? I got to turn these into an object. Can't do that because they're grouped together. So go to Object, Group, and ungroup them. Then you can select them all, go up to Object and convert them to an outline or an object. Then go ahead and group it, Control G. Let's go ahead and use that one. So we'll hit Delete. We'll hit P, P. And now we're going to intersect. And now we have that graphic. Now, hit P again and make it, I shouldn't have deleted my 12-inch box. Well, you know what you can do in this case, because now this is an object, you can hold down your Shift key and double click on your rectangle tool. It'll make an object. I'm going to color that object in with a light brown. I'm going to take away the outline. And now I'm going to get with the attribute eyedropper, interactive fill tool, and I'm going to put a black on both ends, but then I'm going to put a lighter color. Well, it's going to be hard to see because I can't see it because I made everything black. Let me start that again. Maybe do black on this end, and then maybe put a gray in the middle. Well, I'm doing the same thing. There we go. Separate that out. What I want is two blacks on each end and a gray in the middle. So let me go ahead and put a black here and a gray in the middle, so we will be able to see it, and then another black on this end. Because I want it pretty close to the middle, but I want this spread out just a little bit. I don't want so much black. There we go. Now, if you remember, our lines are behind there, so we're going to go to Object, Order, Back a Page. And what that did, it kind of makes it look like they're curved a little bit. Now, at this time, I'm going to, with the ratio lock, I'm going to make them 2 inches. You know, I must have had another set of lines. Oh, I didn't select it all. Select everything. Let's group it together and then make it 2 inches. There we go. Now I can set my nudge factor on 2 inches. And watch this. We can take the first one, hit the plus key, and then rotate it 90 degrees. That's all you have to do. Plus key, hit it twice. Plus Control D, Control D. Every one of them will be different. Control D. And then you could mirror these and then grab every one of them and Control D and hit it twice. Control D, Control D, and you can make as many as you want. It kind of makes it look like a an old style woven chair pattern that, I mean, it actually makes the bands look like they've been curved around the other one. Pretty neat little trick. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.